Okay, let's go. Fasten your seatbelts, windows are closed, and let's go. We brake here, stay inside, and as soon as the car is straight, we brake again, go in, and brake a second time, and then one long right-hand corner with one steering angle here. Keep the rhythm here, brake again if necessary, and then the last left-hand corner is a little bit sharp. Go back to the left side, brake, and stay inside, stay inside, stay inside. And then fall down the last left-hand corner. Use the complete street here. Very good, well done. Power up the hill, otherwise you lose the speed for the first corner. We're going up the hill. Orientate short, left side, and then go in. We don't need to be too close to the first apex, but then close to the second apex. Very good. Looks beautiful. Very good. And from this place on, we could go full speed. Don't hit the curbs here. The curbs are really hard. You don't need to be too close here. And then please leave a little gap to the car in front of you. Hold the hump. Then brake, 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 brake. And then with a little speed to the left-hand corner, smoothly on the accelerator, and then brake again, brake, 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 and late in, late in, late in, open the steering, and go back out again. Excellent. Okay, I try it again in sport. Let's give me your impression afterwards. What kind of mode you like more, the sport mode or the mid mode, this section. So, we brake here, don't force the car down here to the next corner, become like it is, but the last two corners are important. We need to take out the speed to get a good acceleration out of the last corner. Very good, well done. Brilliant. Okay, and we continue. This left-hand corner is really fast. Usually we have to brake in advance, and then brake here, second time, and then we go left, stay inside to make the move to the right. Then we slow down here, late in, but hit the cone, open the steering, change the road, and this part is really fast here, to the fence, braking, miss, hit, miss, and again we do the classic line. We brake here, stay inside, and then from outside to the inside. And we stop again the session and end up here. Very good. I recommend the sports mode here. Up the hill, we brake a bit, and then the last right-hand corner here. It's important to open the steering. You don't use the complete road. Again, why don't you use the complete radius of the road? Open the steering to the end of the corner. Okay, then let's keep a gap to the car in front of you, please, here. Don't brake too late, it's slippery. Late turn-in point, and then again open the steering at the end of the corner and bring the power out to the straight here. Okay. And cars are running, so let's accelerate here. This part, we just choose the shortest way, or yeah, let's say we choose the way that the car would like to go. Okay, we don't steer too much. We let the car go. Smoothly steering, and then we lift off, and then full power again. Power on the throttle. We go over the hump, and again power back to the middle of the road for braking, and then right hand corner here. I don't like this corner. Open the steering, and then we're coming up the hill, heading for the 143, and in the second stone we enter. Don't overdo here, stay on the stone, and stone, last stone on the right corner outside. Okay. Yes. So let's go here. We're coming up the hill with a much higher speed, so we need to brake here, the end of the curb, then turn in. Stay inside a while to the end of the curbs, then change, and now change the driving mode in your head. In this really dangerous part here, to the orange barrier, 154, inside, brake a little bit, stay outside, late in, brake a little bit, and in the compression, we need to brake and stay inside. Okay. Then coming to Eschbach, we brake here. Dangerous corner. Down the hill, we brake here. Hit the cone. And the right corner up the hill, late in. Stay inside. Very good. Well done. And we slow down already here at this place because it's end of the section. Okay, let's go again to the 169, to the first sign, and then we make a long straight out of it. We reduce the speed a little bit before the jump, then go over, and then double right hand corner, close to the cone, second corner, close to the cone, and then from outside to the inside, straighten up the wheels, and slow down please. To the white line here, down to the white line. Oh my god, okay, it's too much. Okay, so go back in my line please, back in my line, slow down here, slow down, and go to the inside, and open, and that's it. Please follow my line. Imagine in a race, there's always somebody behind you. Don't concentrate to your mirror behind you, concentrate in front. Don't get nervous if somebody behind you. This is the big difference between driving alone, a perfect lap, or between doing a race. In a race, people hit you, people contact you, people are always behind you.